WayFindX is a handheld navigational device perfect for hikers, outdoorsmen, adventurers, and hobbyists. It provides a real-time PVT solution, waypoint navigation to up to 10 GPS coordinates, diagnostic information about your current GPS fix, and coordination via UTC time. Its intuitive user interface makes navigation a breeze. To save a position, simply select the Save operation and press the Action button. Now, WayFindX will calculate the distance between its current position and the stored position. WayFindX will save stored positions even after power loss. The user can cycle through and store up to 10 locations and can use the clear or reset operations to wipe stored locations. Taking standard 9-volt batteries means that WayFindX can adapt to almost any situation. Or the user can open the device and directly plug it into a wall via a standard 9-volt, 2-amp power supply. The WayFindX provides the answer to the age-old question, how far is it from here to anywhere?